Your PS5 says it cannot connect to PlayStation Network within the time limit, with error code CE-109506-1. This blocks sign-in and online play. Here are 12 verified fixes from easiest to most advanced. Start with Fix 1 and stop the moment it works.
Fix 1. Check PlayStation Network status. Open status.playstation.com on your phone or computer. Look at PlayStation Network, account management, and sign in. If a row is red, Sony's servers are having issues. Wait a few hours and try again later. All green? Move to Fix 2.
Fix 2. Test your internet connection. Go to Settings, then Network, then Connection Status. Press Test Internet Connection. Check the results: Internet Connection, PlayStation Network, and NAT type. If the PlayStation Network row fails, the problem is between your console and Sony. Keep going.
Fix 3. Restart your modem and router. Turn off the PS5. Unplug the modem and router from power. Wait 5 full minutes, then plug them back in. Wait for the internet light to become stable. Power on the PS5 and sign in again.
Fix 4. Test with a mobile hotspot. Turn on mobile data and the personal hotspot on your phone. On the PS5, go to Settings, Network, Settings, then Set up Internet Connection. Select your phone's hotspot. If sign-in works, your home network or internet provider is the problem. If it still fails, the issue is on PlayStation's side.
Fix 5. Forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect. Go to Set up Internet Connection. Highlight your network and press the Options button. Select Forget. Choose the network again. Re-enter the password and connect. Then sign in to PlayStation Network again.
Fix 6. Switch to a public DNS. In Advanced Settings, open DNS Settings and choose Manual. Enter primary DNS 8.8.8.8. Press R2 and enter secondary DNS 8.8.4.4. Select OK and reconnect. Still failing? Try Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1.
Fix 7. Set MTU to 1400. In Advanced Settings, open MTU Settings and choose Manual. Enter 1400 and press OK. Reconnect and try sign in. No luck? Try 1450, then 1473.
Fix 8. Power cycle the console. Press the PS button, go to Power, and choose Turn off PS5. Wait for the light to go out. Unplug the power cable from the back. Wait at least 1 minute. Plug it back in, power on, and sign in again.
Fix 9. Use a wired LAN cable. Connect an Ethernet cable from your router to the LAN port on the back of the PS5, next to the HDMI port. Go to Set up Internet Connection and select LAN cable. If sign-in works, your Wi-Fi signal is the problem.
Fix 10. Check NAT type and open ports. Go to Network, then view connection status. If NAT type 3 shows, the router is blocking connections. In the router admin page, enable UPnP or forward TCP/80, 443 and 3478 to 3480, plus UDP 3478 to 3479. Retest and aim for NAT type 2.
Fix 11. Update the system software. Go to Settings, System, then System Software. Open System Software Update and Settings. Choose Update System Software, then Update using Internet. Wait for the restart, and sign in to PSN.
Fix 12. Update the router firmware and call your internet provider. In the router admin page, run Firmware Update. Still failing only at home? Ask your ISP about CGNAT, throttling, and blocked ports. Request a public IP, and make sure the router is not set to IPv6 only because the PS5 needs IPv4.
Why does this happen?
The PS5 sends a request to PlayStation Network and waits. If no reply arrives within the time limit, you get CE-109506-1. The cause can be a server outage, weak Wi-Fi, slow DNS, an MTU mismatch, strict NAT, or old firmware. Each cause has its own fix.
Recap: 12 fixes, easy to advanced. Start with the quick fixes: status, connection test, router restart, and hotspot. Then the network tweaks: DNS, MTU, and a wired cable. Work top to bottom and stop when it works. Like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next fix.